Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the previous class we discussed about forming numbers, successor and predecessor of the numbers. So today's class we learn Indian and international system of numerization. Indian and international system of numerization. Children, we follow Indian system of numerization and use Indian place value chart. Most of the countries outside India, they use international place value system and international place value chart. So first we discussed Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. See children, Indian place value chart has 4 periods. They are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period and crores period. But in 4th standard we learn 3 periods. They are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. So Indian place value chart has 3 periods. They are ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. Okay. Ones period has 3 places. Ones period has 3 places. They are ones, tens and hundred. Okay. Then thousands period has 2 places. They are thousand and 10,000. Okay, next lakhs period. Lakhs period also 2 places. They are lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. This is the Indian place value chart. So, what is the value of ones place? 1. Tens place value 10. 100 place value 100. 1000 place value 1000. Then 10,000 place value 10,000, then lakhs place value lakh, then 10 lakh place as 10 lakh. Okay, this is the Indian place value chart. So I write one number 5, 6, 8, 7, 0, 9. See children, how to read and write the number names according to Indian place value chart. So first always read the numbers from highest period to lowest period. First lakhs place na read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, next thousands place na read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, next ones period, that means thousands period, lakhs period. Okay, first lakhs period na list ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, next 1000 period na read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then ones period na read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then always reading the digits period together. That means lakh and 10 lakh are reading together. Lakh ಮತ್ತೆ 10 lakh. Okay, ಇವೆರಡು lakhs period ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ lakh ಮತ್ತೆ 10 lakh ನ ನಾವು together. That means ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆನೆ read ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then 1000 and 10,000 are reading together and name the period. Then ones, tens and hundreds are reading together. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ period ನ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so here what is the number name? 56 lakh. 56 lakh. Then how many thousands are there? 87,000. 87,000. Then how many ones are there? 709. 709. This is the Indian place value chart. Okay. So in the Indian place value chart, 3 periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. Ones period has 3 places: ones, tens, 100. Thousand period has 2 places: 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs period has 2 places: lakh and 10 lakh. So lakh and 10 lakhs are reading together along with the period. 1000 and 10,000 are reading together along with the period. So ones, tens, hundreds are reading together. Okay. Then international place value chart. International place value chart. See children, international place value chart has also 4 periods. They are ones period, thousands period, millions period and billions period. But in 4th standard we learn only 3 periods. They are ones period, then thousands period, next one millions period. Okay, these are the 3 periods in international place value chart. So the ones period has 3 places. They are ones, tens and 100. Then 1000 period has also 3 places. They are 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In the international place value chart, thousands period also 3 places. They are 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Next one, millions period. Millions period also 3 places. They are million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the international place value chart. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So fill the same number in international place value chart. So writing the numbers in ones period first, write 9, 0, 7, 8, 6, 5. See children. So millions period has only one place, that is million place. 10 million and 100 million, there is no numbers. So in 4th standard we learn up to 7-digit numbers. That's why only millions period is there. Okay. See children, how to read the numbers names in international place value chart. So reading the periods together. So reading the digits period together. That means million, 10 million, 100 millions are reading together. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 are reading together. Ones, tens, hundreds are reading together. See children, here how many millions are there? Only 5 million. So write 5 million. The digits are reading together and name the period. Okay. 5 million. Then how many thousands are there? See children, 6, 8, 7. Both 3 digits are in thousands period. Therefore, all the 3 digits are reading together and name the period. Here, so what is the number? 687. That means 687. 687. 687,000. Then 709. 709. Is it clear children? See. So 5 million. 5 million. 687,000 1709. This is the international place value chart. Okay, see, observe both the charts. So here ones place has 3 digits, here also ones period has 3 digits. So next 1000 period has 2 digits. 1000 period has 2 digits. In international place value chart, 1000 period has 3 digits, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then next period is lakhs period in the Indian place value chart. So in the international place value chart, after 1000 period, which period is coming? Millions period. Okay, then is it clear, children? This is the Indian place value chart, then that is the international place value chart. So then Indian place value chart, see children, 1 lakh is read as, in the international place value chart, 1 lakh is read as what? So children, 1 lakh is read as 100,000. In the international place value chart, 1 lakh is read as 100,000. In the international place value chart, 1 lakh is read as 100,000. So Indian place nalli 1 lakh andre adu international place value system alli enagutte 100,000 agutte. Then 10 lakh. So 10 lakh anta Indian place value chart alli 10 lakh ಆದರೆ international place value system alli enagutte 1 million. 1 million. Did you understand, children? Okay. So reading the numbers, the digits are in the same period. Digits same period allive, now the digits are reading together and name the period. So numbers digits ಒಂದೇ periods ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನೇಮ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಿಗೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನೇಮ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್? So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. Okay, then we learn exercise problems. We solve the exercise problems. In the last class, we already discussed about the write the number names and writing the numerals. Okay, so exercise, today we solve exercise 1.5 problems. Okay, the first main is write the numbers in the Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, and also write the number names. Write the number names. So see children, the numbers are given, you fill the numbers in place value chart and also write the number names. Okay, first one 60875 2. See children, here how many digits are there? 6 digits. So write 6 places. So Indian system place value charts. What is the Indian place value chart? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, 6 places are there. So write the numbers in the place value chart. 6 in the lakhs place, 0 is in the 10,000 place, 8 in 1000 place, 7 is in 100 place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. Okay, is it clear, children? So then write the number names. So what is the number name? See children, so we put a comma. Comma is used to separate the period. In the Indian place value chart, we put comma ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Here, how many lakhs are there? 6 lakh. So write 6 lakh. Then how many thousands are there? 8,000. How many thousands are there? 8,000. So write 8,000. Then how many ones are there? 752. 752. 52. Is it clear, children? Then go for second one. Second question. 309764. So first we put a comma according to Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Then fill the number in place value chart. Here also 6 digit. So write 6 places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So here fill the numbers from ones place or this side. So 4 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in 100 place, 9 is in 1000 place, 10,000 place is 0, lakhs place number is 3. So see, what is the number name? 3 lakh. 3 lakh. How many thousands are there? 9,000. Then how many ones? That means ones period 764. So write the number name. 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Then 9,000. 3 lakh 9,000. How many hundreds are there? 700. So write 700. How many tens are there? 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. 60. Then how many ones are there? 4. So write 4. 3 lakh 9,764. Okay. Is it clear, children? Then go for third question. Third one. 89549. So you write the place the commas because comma is help to read and write the numbers easily. So comma idodrinda namage numbers na read ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ write ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ help ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So put comma ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh because this is the Indian place value chart. Okay. So then here also 6 digit. So write 6 places. Your ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. In the Indian place value chart, the after 10,000 place, which place is come? Lakh. Then fill the numbers in place value chart. The ones place number is 9, tens place number 0, 100 place number 4, 1000 place number 5, 10,000 place number 9. So lakhs place number 8. Then what is the number name here? How many lakhs are there? First always writing the numbers from highest period to lowest period. ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಿಂದ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಕಡೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 8 lakh. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ 8 lakh. Then how many thousands are there? 95,000 because 1000 and 10,000 places are reading together. Therefore 95,000. 95,000. Then next 409. 409. Okay, is it clear? Did you understood? Then go for next question, fourth one. Fourth question. 5, 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 4. See children, first place the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So here 7 digits are there. So write 7 places. So first ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this is the Indian place value chart. So then fill the numbers. So 4 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 8 is in hundred place, 0 is in thousand place, 7 is in 10,000 place, 6 is in lakhs place, 5 is right in 10 lakhs place. Then what is the number name? See children, lakh and 10 lakh are reading together. Here how many lakhs are there? 56 lakh. So write 56 lakh. 56 lakh. Then how many thousands are there? 70,000. 70,000. 70,000. Then how many ones are there? 894. 894. Okay, is it clear children? This is the Indian place value system of reading and writing the numbers. Okay, then we will go for how to write the number names in according to International Place Value Chart. So second main write the numbers in International Place Value Chart and also write the number names. Write the number in the International Place Value Chart and also write the number names. See children, in this we write the number names according to International Place Value Chart. Okay. So first I write the numbers. So the first one is 5, 7, 4, 2, 6, 1. See children, International Place Value Chart. Recall the International Place Value Chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So here how many digits are there? 6 digits. So write 6 places according to International Place Value Chart. So International Place Value Chart, the first place is ones, second one tens, third one 100, fourth one 1,000, fifth one 10,000, sixth one 100,000. Then fill the numbers in International Place Value Chart. Here 1, tens place number 6, 100 place number 2, 1,000 place number 4, 10,000 number 7, 100,000 the place number 5. See children, how to write the numbers name. So here the periods are reading together. That means ones, tens, hundreds are reading together. Then 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 are reading together and name the period. So write place the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. See children, here how many hundreds are there? So 570, how many thousands are there? See, 574,000. See children, 574,000. Then how many ones? 261. Don't confuse 261. 261. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 1000, 10,000, 100,000ನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ? 574. 574 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 574. 574 ಯಾವ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಸೊ 1000 ಪೀರಿಯಡ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ 1000. 574,261. Okay, then go for second question. 708,546. See children, first place the comma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Here also 6 digit. So write 6 places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000. Then fill the numbers. 6 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in 100 place, 8 is in 1000 place, 0 is in 10,000 place, 7 is in 100,000 place. Then what is the number name? Here how many thousands are there? 708,000. 708,000. Then how many ones? 546. 546. Okay, 546. Did you understood? Then go for third question. Third one. 307,945. Place the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here also 6 places we write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then fill the numbers. 5, 4, 9, 7, 0, 3. Then what is the number name? 307,946. How many thousands are there? 307,000. 307,945. 945. Okay, is it clear children? 307,945. So in this way the last question 8928,704. So place the commas. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next one is million. In the international place value chart, after 100,000 the next period is, the next place is million. So here 7 digit. So write 7 places. So in the international place value chart, the first place ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Then next place is million. Then fill the numbers. 4 is in ones place, 0 is in tens place, 7 is in 100 place, 8 is in 1000 place, 2 is in 10,000 place, 9 is in 100,000 place, 8 is in millions place. So what is the number name? So first write the million. Here how many millions are there? 8 million. So write 8 million. Then how many thousands are there? 928,000. See children, 928,000. 928 1000, then 704, 704, 8,928,704. Okay, is it clear, children? So today's learned Indian and international system of numerization, and also how to write the numbers in international place value chart and in Indian place value system. Okay, thank you.